The Eritrean Cabinet of Ministers conducted more deliberations in the morning hours today. The full report follows.
The Eritrean Cabinet of Ministers conducted more deliberations in the morning hours today. The deliberations focused on sector-by-sector assessment of the implementation of action programs for 2012 and the mapping out of those for the coming year on the basis of the working paper which President Isias presented yesterday. The meeting assessed work accomplishments regarding fisheries, transport and communication sectors and thereby extensively discussed future work plans pertaining to these sectors. Accordingly, the assessment focused on the putting in place of essential infrastructure and other facilities, the investments made in the process, workforce deployment, human resource development, the harnessing of natural resources, and the research and exploration activities undertaken to this end. Furthermore, due evaluation was made as regards the progress registered in the task of raising productivity, enhancement of organizational and managerial capacity, application of technological know-how, and the reinforcement of institutionalization and control mechanism, among others. Moreover, the Ministerial Cabinet put forth recommendations as regards reinforcing the future work plans presented by the Ministries of Transport and Communications, as well as fishery resources, in light of the Integrated National Development Plan for 2013. Reports indicated that the Cabinet of Ministers would hold further meetings in the days ahead.